Hi, welcome back. It's Leslie Burns talking about event planning, of course. Question I have had was, what type of events do I plan? Well, I plan a variety of types of events, and maybe we should talk about what types of events, an event planner would handle. Technically, there are three types of events. Of course, there can be more, but let's just say categories would be corporate events, nonprofit events, and then private or individual events. With corporate events, that means not necessarily that you're working for a corporation, but it's a business. Whether it's a large business or a small business, you're planning events for them, meaning you could be doing something like a grand opening for a brand new business. You could be assisting them in marketing and getting the word out about new products that they're doing. You could be doing things to celebrate relationships within the business, meaning client appreciation dinners or ceremonies. You could be doing things to celebrate the employees, award ceremonies. You could do things that are just a regular occurrence annually, let's say company picnics, Christmas parties, or holiday parties. Those are the types of, or even scholarship dinners for those corporations that are part of the community doing, give back to the communities. They have a lot of things that they do to, maybe hand out school supplies. Those things need to be documented in some way for the corporate responsibility, rules, and not necessarily rules, but things that they maintain, and those are the types of things that you would be involved in planning. Many corporations do have their own event planners. Many universities and schools have their own event planners, so you could be involved in that way. Nonprofit would be another category. Nonprofits would be, let's say, larger organizations like the American Cancer Society or animal shelters, churches, depending on, maybe a private school. Nonprofit organizations would mean that they have the 501c3 stamp or category applies to them. That means they're charitable, and at the end of every year there is financial accountability for funds that have been donated to them or raised. You will find that with nonprofits you do a lot of fundraising, helping them to arrange special dinners or helping them to arrange, car washes. It depends on the level of the organization and how much help they need from you to raise funds, but a lot of times you're reaching out to sponsors. Again, in nonprofit situations, you're usually working with volunteers, not necessarily paid employees. And with nonprofits, it's usually getting the awareness out, getting the word about the good work that they're doing. A lot of times they're involved with medical things such as research and treatment of different diseases or situations that people have, and some of it's curable, some of it's not. But these are a lot of times foundations that give money back to families and to needy people for different reasons. And a lot of times there are nonprofits involved with animals and different medical things with them. So nonprofits have a certain way of doing business all on their own. And then of course there are the individuals that have personal events. That would be your weddings, your birthday parties, your anniversary parties, any manner of, let's say a baby shower, bridal shower, all types of celebrations generally, graduations and things like that. So it depends on the category that I guess you would be most interested in, is maybe something that you would focus on. But there are thousands of reasons to celebrate, and thousands and thousands upon clients out there that have a need for an event planner to help them with their events. So if you have questions or there's something that you have never done before, you'd like to reach out, please reach me at lesliecburns@gmail.com. Have a great day.